Hello everyone, I'm Richard with Osa Tropical Properties, and today we're here at my new listing in Phase 9, Ojochal. This home has 3/4 of an acre. We've got this beautiful ocean mountain view, as well as a lot of room and a lot of fruit trees on this property. This is the area that you're going to spend most of the time at the house. We've got a beautiful mountain view, beautiful ocean view, great breezes moving across this terrace all day. And this house is designed just to catch the air as it comes down from the mountain and keep your house nice and cool without having to use AC. We've got just an incredible direct view out to Cano Island. Cano Island has a high mineral content, so as the clouds move over the island in the rain season, from this property or properties that get a view of the island, you're going to get to see spectacular lightning shows. As we walk in, you'll notice the custom woodwork. This is a custom home. It is a very solid built home. This is all concrete block. The kitchen has a great design. We've got marble countertops, solid hardwood cabinetry, gas cooktop, light burners on it. We have a very nice big oven for baking down below. We've got very nice Whirlpool appliances in the house, and it's just very well designed for being able to move around in here and prepare meals for all your family and friends, because this is a great house for entertaining. Okay, let's check out the master. From the master bedroom, we get a beautiful sunset ocean view, and we can walk right out onto the terrace from here. King size bed, and you can see we have a beautiful bathroom with a Guanacaste countertop and stone sink. Their closet, also a lockout closet. You have a wood finish on the outside, but we have an iron door on the inside, so it's harder to get into. I mean, you could keep this locked so renters never were able to get into this closet. It's nice having the master on the other side of the house. It's very separated from all of the other rooms. On the other side of the kitchen, we come into the office / second bedroom. From here, we've got a beautiful view looking out towards the island, looking out towards the sunset. So this will fold down into a full-size bed. So this can easily be used as your second bedroom. From the second bedroom, we also have this beautiful terrace, just spectacular mountain and ocean view, and just a great breeze. This is a great place to sit, watch the birds, and look out over your garden. Right now, we are missing the swimming pool. Our property line is this ridge here, and there is a design to put a pool in this area, and then they had planned for it to be a water feature to add some tranquility to the terrace down below. This would be a huge value to the home. This is the second bathroom used for the other bedrooms or for entertaining. This is the bathroom we would use. This is our third bedroom. Again, I'd like to point out what a great space saver this is, having these nice hardwood doors on sliders. The couple living here are using this as their dry room, and this could easily be converted into a bedroom. We do have nice windows that get great airflow coming in. So here we've got a full-size laundry room, GE and Frigidaire appliances, water filtration system in here, and a large laundry sink. Extra storage. It's a very good use of space in here. Having room for storage here is key because a lot of homes are built without this thought. It is good to have some extra room in the house. Each bedroom upstairs is equipped with AC. So we've got this beautiful spiral staircase with the iron railing. Downstairs was set up as its own little apartment area. We have parking, which you can come in. You've got your own driveway. We've got this really nice den set up here. It is air conditioning if you feel that you need it. Down here, we also have some more storage. We've got two very nice bedrooms with terrace area, as well as a full bathroom. And you can see the bathroom is in the same design as the upstairs, where we have the very nice Guanacaste wood and stone sinks. So this is the first bedroom downstairs, set up very well for a kid's room. So the kids can climb up here and then get from the bed from here. This does have a very nice terrace. We get a great mountain view off to this side. We get great airflow. Here's our fifth bedroom. It's very comfortable, very well designed. With having two bedrooms downstairs, this would make for a great rental. If you wanted to live upstairs full time, maybe rent this out. Phase 9 is a gated community. This is a condominium. The HOA maintains the roads and keeps all the gates in working order. 3/4 of an acre here. Let's go check out the rest of the property. The water management that you see right here and all over the property, this is very important for erosion control. This is a big expense on top of building a house. We've got lots of space. We have a fruit orchard right here. We've got papayas, we've got mangosteens, we've got oranges, pineapples, bananas. We have soursop. Another beautiful aspect of this property is all of the space that you have down below for this beautiful fruit orchard. These oranges need a couple more weeks and we'll be pulling those off and having orange juice in the mornings. There is still a lot of room to be utilized here, so they did leave something for someone else to come in and make it more of their own. This tree is one of everybody's favorites. This is natural perfume blowing in your house in the evenings. This is the ylang ylang tree, and they make Chanel No. 5 out of this. At sunset or after a rain, the sap in the tree stirs up and it starts releasing the fragrance. Take the time to smell the flowers. Here we have a 14 by 25.5 foot bodega. This is very solid, it's block. This is a great place to put your quad, your ATV. You can keep them locked up with this iron door. So if you're looking for something with great airflow, great mountain and ocean views, with a lot of space to use and room for appreciation, then please click on the link below. I'm Richard with Osa Tropical Properties. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.